Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to stop auto backup in Google Photos on Android. This will help you save storage space and prevent your photos from being uploaded automatically. Let's get started. Open the Google Photos app. If you are running out of storage, stopping auto backup can help manage your space. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Photos Settings. Now go to Backup. Here, you will see a switch to stop automatic backup. Simply tap on it and backup will be turned off instantly. If you have enough storage, you can keep it enabled, but if you want to control which files get uploaded, stopping this option is a great choice. And that's it. Now you know how to stop auto backup in Google Photos.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.